Ensara TV ekerenga kyomogusi.
The Central Committee of the party has had a meeting with its elected members, leaders from Migori and Kisii counties to get a brief following recent worrying incidents in the two counties. In attendance from the county of Migori was the Governor, Honorable Chilo Ayako, the Women Representative, Honorable Fatuma Full Network, the Senator, the Honorable Eddie Okech, the Member of Parliament for Suna West, the Honorable Peter Masara, the MP Suna East, Honorable Junet Mohamed, and two MCAs from Migori as well. From Kisii, we have the Honorable Kibagendi from Kitutu Chache South, the Honorable Barongo from Bomachoge Borabu. Honorable Osero from Borabu in Nyamira was also present. What has emerged from the briefing is that there is a clear and calculated plan to use state power to destabilize ODM-run counties and constituencies in partnership with rogue members of the party, some subject to ongoing disciplinary proceedings, who have since pledged allegiance to the regime. The idea seems to be to utilize state force, particularly the police and provincial administration, to prop up the so-called rebels in an attempt to penetrate our strongholds. In Migori, police fired tear gas at mourners at a funeral on the 3rd of this month in Uriri sub-county at the direction of the area MP, Honorable Mark Nyamita. Honorable Nyamita was invited to today's meeting but did not attend. At this stage, the party wishes to fully dissociate itself from the Honorable Mark Nyamita. We have granted his wish to no longer be part of us and advise our members in Uriri and Migori generally that he is an agent of our opponents in the UDA with the assigned task of sowing confusion and discord within ODM. Honorable Nyamita does not speak for nor represent the party at any level, and we advise our members to view and treat him and all those who support him accordingly. In Bomachoge Borabu, UDA MPs, in a bid to undermine the area ODM MP, Honorable Barongo, brandished employment letters from the TSC and the Kenya Wildlife Service. These bad manners was started by none other than CS for Education, the Honorable Machogu. We cannot as a party think of a clearer example of abuse of power other than people walking around with employment letters for state appointments in funerals and in these unofficial events. What is most worrying to us and our supporters is that members of Azimio do not have a similar opportunity to also get those employment letters because they are issued exclusively to members of the UDA. There is also continued harassment of our leaders in Kisii, including the governor, members of parliament, and our supporters in Kisii by the police and provincial administration. The master puppeteer behind these schemes has been identified as none other than the PS for Internal Security, Raymond Omolo. The party wishes to condemn in the strongest terms this blatant abuse of police and state power to intimidate our people and prop up regime stooges in our strongholds. We will be lodging formal complaints to the relevant authorities in the next few days as regards the abuse of police power and the provincial administration. We want to also make it clear that as members of parliament from the Azimio coalition side, we will be seeking a position of this government on whether state appointments can be dished out in the manner in which they are being dished out by cabinet secretaries led by none other than CS for Education, the Honorable Machogu. So MPs, we will be summoning the CS to Parliament to explain to us where and how members of ODM can pick TSC employment letters. In the meantime, we urge our supporters to remain vigilant and smell out these nefarious schemes by the regime and its stooges who hide amongst us, thinking they can deceive us as to their intentions.
Twarangarigo na Central Management Committee ye kiama kia ODM iga elinde to explain ayara bete ime abo machoga barabu engaki tware guchangira chikanisa chia PAG alieto no nche amono mheshimiwa Kibagendi amono yo minto Patrick Osero oyere otaliga lakini apo twarenge igo abajumbe batatu ba ODM. Twatebirie komiti ye igoro ya serikali bune tagete gutumia chinguru ase ncherinde yonsi kuoro kinga nabo babwate obo maarufu ase siasa yaito ya Gusii ndagete gwakera aba machoge ba minto mbia mono sana ase nchera twanyarete gwe conduct litukoriria nonye egeti gieto kia renge geichire abantu babete mobilized amone kiama kia UDA gocha korento mochando ase mochango yu wetono nande mbolie abagusi ba minto torigereri sana serikali ekere serikali etagete gutumia viongozi bieito bya viongozi ba Gusii korento muburukano ase njira yo korokyo maarufu bwabo abagusi go ikatoi totenene tokane totebenga njereyu terindonge ntuna abantu nyasa tutongete kero muntu nabwate gentokorokanga okorora kwae bose style ya siasa ya Kenya bunere ntwancheire ase opposition ko make sure nganto bwate position ere etari ere eyogokosoa serikali nto baise gocha ko rasimishwa ngane sengencho tutanyare koegwa marube bose sengencho tutabwatie state machinery ya serikali toche ko rasimishunga bono goika tubabwatie goika tokore keriba bagane batagete tokore elinde bamenye gocha korenta magendro. Kenya ni country ere democratic twensi buna mwanyagetinge ngwakana turebango ase igo onye Kenya kwanza batagete korenta amagendro ime ya Gusii tigabanyarente ase nchira ya masikani bila gocha korokia abajumbe bandenga barabumba isaini esengencho batanyare kuikera ebinto biri eserikali kunyara koba korenge ase kuikera chinga kichi na kikyo ndanyare goteba tigirene ndugu yane Kibagendi nere amenta yae
yane Nolfason baronga tebire twarangeri une party ODM Central Committee yue ko bacha ne party leader umurai Raila Amolo Odinga ilinde torwe totebe na kia mangana renge garia umochango litwabwate igari etono dige twatebirie party na ero ya rule statement yogo tebie serikali etige gutumia chinguru chia provincial administration abuna abasigari bare sub county aba chief chi DCC konyara gotema go intimidate goseko go chanda abarai batari aba serikali buna ntutura ODM egento kende party nande yatebire amangana yo konyora marube yo kulika abantu ba obosigari gose obwalimu inegasi ebwente gokoru ne serikali ya igoro amangana yo ko abachumbe amarube bagotumia konyara goto intimidate na goto chaya se constituency cheito taligento kebwenerete na ende yue koro kibuna amaruba aiga kwenanwa according to abantu bali bagosasima abachumba aba no embarubwa se constituency chiabo mbaranyara ko akero monto amaruba ibalike to the extent bakunyara kwenda no embo machoge goseboge tutu south botayabuna baye abantu banyare kulika igeto goteba igabuna baraikuru Gusii tigatusikane kero monto tigarende constituency yae na ende kero gutarira muchumbo nde bwensi constituency yae mutarire na maskani tigatokore oborai obo asa maskani kero monto akore binto bune bwenerete bune ekatibe goteba twensi ngwakana tore bango igotiga twensi twe opportunities turanyare gokonya abantu baito
nkwaroche omujumba oyo mogotebanga aegwo mumura alike igo ninkie mineti abantu bonsi ba sobo mojumbo oyo mbabwate gasi banyorire gasi mpaka bono yaikeire rirube ririe limo osama ruba liabere naragocha go solve a problem ya employment imeabo machoge igonka getenga siasa tu abere to gukora ntu buna bajumbe ba opposition yabere siasa kworokia abantu bande amasikani gocha e constituency negento constituency ye kiongozi kende gocha ko baro kinga bono mojumbo utakonyarere senginjo rirube litayo na bona mbete koranga keri negento kere kiarenge gento kere very sad nande nkore nginga ntubuna abajumbe tigato sikane mojumbo yotachori na kura chire tofauti na chikura tu achore tunachirocho ase igo nambete korora gento kere ketalie keronge kurwa ase ekoligi yane ya bunge in future nya bagocha gocha nainde fashion bune bachete tikabale ntamaru bare 14,000 gochigoro kiagara nkore ngi aba na inchi babo machoko barobota bwatie gasi mbali babere naba na inchi barabange nende tali bo machoge yoka kenye ngima abante bagendete koligia egasi nkibona abantu bali skuru abana bali skuru sai bagosoma bagocha ngakyo korengi bakorengereria ekera bamaetenga na chasome buna gocha gosoma onyo tali omwana siasa orache ko mwali irube tabwati chance yo gocha konyora lirube igo Kenya ase ndoche bono twaikeire twachakire koira na magega sana twachakire koira na ase era abana siasa bono batakete gocha kutumia state employment gwakanuna na ebango ya abana inchi bune campaign strategy tinga negento kerekia tiga amangana ngabuna yaere elinde gosemeri kero mwana ogusi atwara gosemeri ngekereka koende sukuru gagocha gukora na bagocha konyora employment asenchirere halali.